All right, it is happening. I am dressed up like Wonder Woman, and I'm going to the show with some girlfriends because we decided that we wanted to celebrate the fact that we are superheroes. No, not superheroes. Super sheroes. Getting in the Wonder Woman mobile! Dun, da, dun, dun, da, dun, dun, da, dun, da.
I had a moment this morning when I thought, oh no, what have we done?
I know, it's Saturday morning. Some women would think to themselves, I should be relaxing. Why are all the movies that are about superheroes about men? I mean, what do we have? We have Superman, we have Captain America, we have Batman, we have Spider-Man.
Yeah, and the last time a movie was made about a super hero, it was Catwoman 13 years ago.
Did you know that in 2016, Wonder Woman got an honorary invite into the United Nations for the empowerment of women, but she was kicked out 2 months later because she was scantily clad.
I love Wonder Woman because I have a 9-year-old daughter, and Wonder Woman gives me what I need to show up fully and let everything unleash, all the feminine power, and as much as I can to lead the way for her and all the women to come.
I love Wonder Woman because she never has to apologize for her power.
Wonder Woman represents radical self-love and self-expression, and about not being scared to stand tall and shine and be bright.
What I love about Wonder Woman is that she's been through some stuff, you know? Like, she didn't just come out as a superhero, and so have you, and so have I, and so have all of us. And we can turn those challenges, we can turn those struggles into our greatest gifts. Like, a lot of people don't know this about me, but I was actually like kicked out of the club when I was a teenager. It's hard to take me seriously when I'm wearing a Wonder Woman costume, but you know, that wound of like being so horribly betrayed as a young woman has actually become the reason why I started my women's company. And now we're reaching 100,000 women around the world, and we are a tribe and we have each other's backs. And the reason I'm able to create that kind of community is because I've been through some stuff, just like you've been through some stuff in your PhD program of your life. Like, the challenges you've been through are becoming your greatest gift that you can give to the world. You are a super hero, just like Wonder Woman.